Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life is Beautiful. Today I am going to introduce one smart inverter for you. This is Luminous Zelio 1100i pure sine wave inverter. Luminous represents it as India's most intelligent home UPS. So to make your home lighten up, here I am going to show you one inverter would not interrupt your works during power cuts. First, when it comes to display, it has one LED display dial indicates hours of power backup time left, so you can manage your power consuming related activities. It has one 32-bit processor, calculates time left for charging and discharging. Water level indicator shows the indication of battery requires to top up, and it deals with the short circuits, reverse polarity, battery deep discharge and battery overcharge. There is one 12 volt battery supportive, and UPS regulates 180 volts to 220 volts output voltage. There is Bluetooth connectivity with Android and iOS app monitoring and control. Safe for sensitive appliances with sine wave output. And you can monitor power cuts on display by noticing one symbol, power plug symbol. This helps in order to stop your more power consuming devices. So again, when we look behind, the battery positive, battery negative, and there are three battery selectors here: TFS, tubular, flat and SMF. You have to choose according to your battery range. There are two modes you can see: Eco and UPS. Eco mode sees the bypass line power the load with the inverter power but remaining off as long as the mains in tolerance. So UPS continuously regenerates the output. It is engaged only when the utility mains fails. Here check the rated power consumption of your appliances before selecting the home UPS. Here you can see normal mode and bypass mode. Usually battery sets in normal mode. In normal mode, the inverter indicators are on, green in color. The internal charger will charge the battery. When bypass mode clicked, higher power gains appliances will be stopped functioning, which directly comes from mains input. Here one more thing: if overload or rectifier failures appears in the UPS normal mode, it directly UPS transfers into bypass mode, and MCB here protects AC like devices. I have already mentioned it is a smart device, so you can connect over Bluetooth. My device already paired up, so you can see connecting Zelio when I have opened it. So it's taking some time to connect. So you can see here first options: mains on, fully charged now. So time to charge 0 hours because it is fully charged 100%. Input voltage you can see 246.1 volts. So when you click on power cut option, the page open up with power cut graphs with daily hours and date. The date power cut happens and how many hours it has happened. So the next, when you tap on battery option, you can see here the page with battery health check, tubular battery type, my battery here, Luminous brand, capacity 150 ampere, optimization test results. You can see I'm starting here begin test, so you can see the pop-up box power cut of Zelio off here. So the testing has been started now. So it's taking some time, approximately 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, Zelio main on. So the test result is good. So when I tap now on eye control option, you can see some options: Zelio on or off, high power mode, holiday mode, and optimize for backup and performance. So Zelio now currently on high power mode. This high power mode to run appliances that have a higher load than the capacity of inverter, so it is useful for that. So holiday mode, this helps to protect the battery and prevent it from discharging while you are away on vacation. With I can say finally the power in your hands. The last but not least, optimize the inverter output for better backup or higher performance. So you can see here reset button. If you want, you can change reset. This way the Bluetooth technology which helps you monitor and control it from your phone via the Zelio app. The things you can monitor include the power situation, backup time, on or off, percentage load running on inverter, battery charging time, input voltage supply and percent of charging of battery. And it informs when the main power is good. Alarms gets activated when certain actions required, example battery to be charged and some malfunctions like overload and short circuit, etc. So these kind of alarms gets activated when required. One of the issues I can see here in this inverter is noise problem, fan noise and battery regenerate power noise, etc. I have recorded in this video, you can clearly hear. So guys, this is today's video. If you found this was helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Thank you, and don't hesitate to click bell icon, and please subscribe my channel. These kind of technical videos you can get in future also. So thank you again, bye.